See how many are left. Oh no, this is where they were. It's time now to do the rocks.
You like Legos? They turn to a
Fire Squad, I have something cool and never done on this channel before. This type of project. I am going to do the rocks, and it's the type of rocks that have their marble.
Kindex rocks.
Yeah, those are Kindex rocks. So I'm gonna put this sheet down so no roots come up. It's like a whole project, and then I'm gonna put the rocks on top because the kids make this a muddy mess, so they're always muddy over here. Hey, fast. Say hi, Faith. We have this is called Vigro Weed Control Fabric. This is medium and it's 4 foot by 50 foot. This costs $23 at Home Depot. That's where we got it. So, and as well, say there are pegs.
Pigs.
Yes, they are pegs. Good job. And we're gonna, those pegs, of course, we're gonna go ahead and the fabric down and hold it into place. All right, you all, go ahead and watch it. Come on, you can hold it. I thought you said muscles. I thought you said muscles. All right, we're doing it. Yeah. All right. I thought I said muscles. Looks like you're stronger. Make sure it goes to the edge of the dirt, Cash. Go ahead and put it down. Now line it up on the edge of the dirt, just like you do your bed, but you don't make your bed much, so.
I do.
Who makes their bed?
Me.
Thanks for good scissors. This is what he gave me. Say hi to the fire squad, Kendrick.
Hi.
This was an amazing bonding experience for me and the kids, especially the boys, to teach them, you know, things to do with their hands. All right, now it's time to do the pegs, son. So let's get the pegs out. You see how I lined it up? And then I'm gonna go ahead and try to, whoa, this Arizona dirt is not nice. Gosh. We are beginners with this, we're noobs. Oh, it broke.
Really, Dad?
Arizona dirt's no joke. Hey, that rhymed. Oh, look, it's going in because there was concrete. As you've seen, I did break that one peg. But the kids are getting a chance to hammer down these pegs. They're made out of plastic. And we're using basically that rubber mallet. You know, it's a little bit safer. Deshaun, he's doing a great job getting it down. And Cash had a turn too. All right, I'm gonna do a couple more, then I'm gonna let you kids finish. I'm just gonna do like the basic ones first. This was super cute. Kendrick's over there trying to help too. He wanted to be a big, you know, like a big boy, just like his brother. It's the cutest thing in the world, I tell you.
Literally, look at this. The thing broke.
All right, I need another one, and then I'm gonna have y'all do them. I gotta go all the way down, and then y'all are gonna put them in between the middle. Careful. Is it going down? Careful. There you go. Yes. Good job, Shawnee. You all are being big helpers. It's time now to do the rocks. We have the same brand company, Vigro, and these are decorative stone marble chips.
You like Legos? They turn to a different color and are...
Hey, they got all of them on my feet. I should have wore shoes. Spread them out. Everybody needs to spread them out.
So guys, this is one right here. I'll be right back.
We don't have enough rocks, but we'll find out.
For sure.
We might need more. So far, it looks like it. Do we have a rake, Cash? Can you go find a rake?
Yeah, I know where a rake is.
Please go find a rake. We need one now. This area really needs to be covered. It's a little Ziploc bag with extras in there, so Faith and Kendrick are going to help. Go ahead. Put it in her hand. Let her hand touch it. Let her hand go in there. Cash is over there raking.
Look at my foot. It's literally white.
Good job, Cash. So this is
My foot is literally white.
So you gotta... Cash, the yellow one, remember it cut you? So you have to use this one, okay? Is that okay? What?
That's literally the toughest shovel we have.
For some reason, I thought it was enough, but it's definitely not. So we're gonna cut this scene and fast forward to us probably running to Home Depot to get some more. Now here at Home Depot to get some more rocks, you all. I have Kendrick here with me. Go to the garden section over here. Oh, look at this. They have little kits now for your herbs. You want one? Yeah, everybody's into growing their own plants at the house, which is awesome. The cilantro one I would really like to get. Let's see how much the cilantro one is. Does it have a price, Kendrick? It doesn't have a price listed. I'm sure it's no more than what. Oh, there it is. $9.98. I think the rocks are over here that we got yesterday. Yep. Let's see how many are left. Oh no, this is where they were. The marble ones. No, here we go. There's some right here. Marble chips. $4.48 a pack. We need probably 15 packs. Oh my goodness. Kendrick, we got to get a bunch of them so we can finish our project, okay? All right. We're not getting that color. We need our white color. All right, we have the rocks down. Getting them finished up. The family is helping. Sean's helping. Faith, Kendrick, and Cash. All right, you don't have to hit it that hard, that much. All right, open it. You can't. Can't's not a word. It's how can I. All right, let me see. Can't's not a word. It's how can I. Remember? You know better. All right. It is done. Laying out the rocks with Vigro products. Yeah. This looks good. It looks even. We don't have to worry about mud anymore. This is the following night. We had to go back to Home Depot because honestly, these rocks aren't high enough. But as well, we need to fill in this side, but by state regulation, there is supposed to be a gap there. The only type of thing you can put there instead of dirt is rocks. And that's for the drainage when there's storms. So we got more rocks for that. The same type of rocks, the marble chips. It's gonna go all the way down there. I don't know if we're gonna do it tonight. You wanna do it tomorrow or tonight, Sean? He said tonight. All right, start opening bags. Let's go ahead and finish this up. Hey, Faith, what are you doing? She's playing over here. Say, hey, Fire Squad, good night.
I know what we do with our cardboard boxes.
What?
We put them on the fire.
Yeah, we do. We have a fire pit, and any extra cardboard boxes, we tear it and use it for our fire to make it stronger, right?
Yeah.
We put it to use. It doesn't get wasted. Hey, help me open some rocks. All right, which one are you going to open? Aaliyah, you want to help me, baby?
This one.
Yeah? Open it. Okay, open it. Say, Ia, help me. He said, help me. She said, help me, Ia. Are you walking on rocks? That's some strong feet.
No.
All right, Sean, thank you. Say, Ia, help me open it.
Open it.
All right, pour it out. Sean, she said, you're the brother. You're strong. There you go. Go ahead, even it out. Oh, you want yours open too? Thank you, Sean. Looking good. All right, this looks good. Pretty much, Aaliyah's making sure she's getting the other spots where the dirt is going. She wants to use her feet. I don't understand why. But hey, yeah, just go ahead and even it. Everybody's using. That's when you thought the fun was over. But wait, there's more. We're over here putting winterizer in because our grass is not growing in the winter. So this is special seeds and it's hitting everybody, Aaliyah. That's the little thing you turn. Hey, stop. You guys play too much. You guys are crazy sometimes. Yeah, so we're gonna get this grass growing, you all. That's why we got these little seeds, especially for the winter, because our grass isn't dead, it's dormant. It's gonna grow back in the spring anyway, but until then, we have winter seed. Out here by the fire pit. Hey, Faith. Say what's up. And it is going. But it's like 40-something degrees out here. It's not getting on you. It's far away from you, baby. But with this fire, it's a nice 80. And they love doing the fire pit, huh, y'all?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Say peace, Fire Squad.